Today I will be assembling this Westinghouse fan and I will show performance of this fan at different speeds. I have taken out all the parts of this fan from the box. This fan comes with 1 year limited warranty. To assemble this fan, only star head screwdriver is required. First I will unscrew all the screws from the base. Next I will assemble the standing rod on the base using the unscrewed screws. Now I will unscrew the tightening knob and put the base cover. This base cover will cover the screws on the base. I will take out the extension rod as required and put back the knob and tighten it. Now I will put the motor. I will loosen the screw at the base of the motor. Then put the motor on top of the extension rod and tighten back the screw. Take out the protective cover from the top of the shaft if there is one. Next, unscrew the rear grille nut. Now match the holes on the rear grille with the pins on the motor. Then fully tighten the rear grille nut. Before putting the fan blade, there is a screw at the back of the fan blade. Fully loosen that screw. Fan blade screw part will go on top of this cut mark of the motor shaft. Now fully tighten the fan blade screw. Before putting the front grille, there is a small screw at the bottom of the rear grille. Just need to open that. Now I will put the front grille. I will start with this latch. I will put this latch on top of the rear grille. Then I will match the hole of the grille at the bottom. Then I will put back the screw between both the grills and tighten up. And now I will put all the latches of the front grille on the rear grille. This fan has 3 speeds, so I will go from high, then I will show medium and then low speed. This is high speed. And this one is medium speed. And this one is low speed. And if you pull this knob, the fan will stay in one direction. And by pushing this knob, the fan starts going from left to right and also go up and down. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.